Hello there, my name's Tracy Alsop and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Paper Craft with Me YouTube channel. Today I have a very quick video for you. It involves this particular project that I made as part of the design team for the What Will You Stamp challenge for this week, and it uses the stamp set Crafting Forever. So the challenge is create any project using at least one image from that stamp set. So this is what I created. There's an image on the side here, there's an image on the front. But what I wanted to show you was what was inside the box. And there we are. This is a large stamp case. You can buy these empty from Stampin' Up in packs of 4. And what I have done is I have created these little boxes for inside the case, and it holds my watercolour pencils, my aqua painter, a blender pen, and there's room there to put lots of pieces of card and paper and watercolour paper, so that when I travel I can take this little kit with me and I can do some colouring. I stamp the images before I go and I can sit and colour wherever I happen to be. It's not a problem. But I wanted to show you how I made these little boxes that actually hold everything in place inside this case. So we will start with a stamping trimmer. And I'm going to cut this piece to 4.5 by 8 7/8. So it needs to be four and a half by 8 7/8. Now I need to score each of the sides at 2 inches. So remove the cutting blade out of the way and we'll score 2 inches. Turn it round, score it, turn it round, score it. One final time. So I have literally just gone all the way round and scored each side at the 2 inch mark. Then on the first one I have some stamping, and you would stamp that before you do any more, but you'd stamp it in that section there, and then when you put the box together it will all fit. So now with the long side I'm going to take my paper snips and I'm going to cut straight up that section and cut a little notch. Again, cut up that section, up the score line, cut a little notch, and then same on the other side, from the long edge along the scored line up to the horizontal score line. And one final time. There we go. And there is the box. Simple job. Go across and sharpen all the creases, burnish those creases with a bone folder, make sure they're nice and sharp, and the same with these little ones here, another little one there, and you end up with that. Adhesive on these 4 square tabs. Well, they're not quite square now because we've chopped a little bit off, but you put adhesive onto those tabs, tuck them inside, tuck those ones inside, and there is your box. It's a good sturdy little box. It holds the watercolour pencils in their box, and it's absolutely perfect for anything that you want to store inside those stamp cases. So I hope that's been useful, and do give it a try. It's a great way to take your crafting things with you wherever you go. Thanks very much for watching. If you want more information about this particular project with the cover sleeve as well, just go to my blog today, and I will put a link in the description bar below, and from there you'll also be able to order any of the products that you see here, and also any of the products that I used to create this project. So I do hope you'll pop over there and see it. In the meantime, if you want any other information, do let me know, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.